through that, Henry. Yes. Good job, JJ. Blue ball, blue ball.
Let's back up. Noah, back up.
Same thing.
Again.
Turn it.
There you go, JJ, turn it.
Keep it. This is it. Put it in, Lincoln.
Let's go, Scorpions!
Henry, front post.
Let's get a quick one.
No. Get up there. Get up. It's a corner. Don't let him go. Stop it. There you go.
There you go, JJ, turn it. Yeah, stay with it. Get in there, JJ. Go. There you go, JJ.
Good job, JJ.
Good.
Jack.
Stand it. Chase it down, Lincoln.
Back in position, G. Let's go. Make more sense.
Wide, Henry.
Right, back up, guys, back up.
All the way out.
Oh, no. I'm not. My bad.
Jay, drop back. Middle, right?
What was the call? Oh.
Guys, let's get closer.
Get open. There you go.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Come on, Key.
Yes. Get in there, Lincoln.
Good job, JJ. Look for the
Henry,
pass.
back page yours, 14.
That's it, JJ. Get in there. Nice. Noah, get that ball. Noah, get that ball, man.
Spread wide, Henry, spread wide.
Turn around, Lincoln. That's you. Go. Go, Lincoln, go. Chase it. There you go.
Good job, Lincoln. Let's do it again. Take it, Henry.
Man on.
That's right. Move around.
Man on, Jake. Man on.
JJ, watch number one.
Hey, JJ, look for the ball. Tell me.
There you go. Yep. Pass it. Look up.
Good. Come on.
Look up.
Come on, Henry, with a purpose.
All right, JJ. To the outside. Show them you're open. Okay.
Go there. Go. Yes.
Go. Again.
Finish. Let's go, boys. Let's keep this press on.
Next one's in, guys. Keep it up.
Side, right?
Turn around.
JJ.
Take it, Lincoln. Take it.
Don't do it.
Henry, you gotta drop.
There you go. Turn it. Go. Not quite there yet.
He can do it.
That's it. Turn it. Stop it. There you go.
There you go, JJ. Go. Outside.
Go.
Come on, Henry.
Go. Pressure.
Kick it out.
Look for the pass.
There you go. Nice. You got it.
Throw it in. Noah.
Nice.
On your toes, hurry up. Run.
Stop this ball. Stop it. Get in the way.
Take it. Guys, JJ, your feet on the ground. Your back foot's got to stay on the ground, kiddo.
They can almost try to stop it. No, don't. Oh.
Go down the line, Lincoln.
There you go. Right down there. Turn it. Go.
Nice. Gee.
Look around, Lincoln, look around.
Noah, your offense, get outside that box.
Get it out, Lincoln.
Good stop.
Take it, Henry, take it.
Oh, good. Good.
Nice.
Good, very good. Hey, get open,
Look
JJ.
around, man on, man on.
Go to the ball. Gee, why are you doing this? Go back. Good job, kiddo. You're playing great.
Henry, stay wide. Upfield.
Stay right there, right there. Are you playing attack or midfield? Midfield? All right. Attack the ball.
They're coming hard.
They're coming.
Nice, JJ. Good job, kiddo.
There you go, there you
Go,
go.
Henry, hand for him.
Come on, you get it.
Turn it.
Good, very good. No, we'll go with him.
There you go.
Go ahead, Lincoln.
Get on it, go. Get on it.
Yes, go, go,
Go.
Henry, keep going. Keep going. Blue ball, blue ball.
Get ready, Scorpions, get in there. Hustle, Lincoln, hustle.
Ready to go.
Turn it, go.
Go, Henry, go.
Get on it, go.
Get out. Good.
Back.
Noah, take that ball.
Take it.
Noah,
William.
take the ball.
Henry, back. You got two.
So quick on this.
Nice. Go.
Come on, run.
Stay on it. Take it back.
Good job.
There it is.
Come on. That's it, JJ. Stay with it.
Again.
Take a breather, ref.
Take a knee.
Got the wind knocked out of him. Is a drop ball new? It used to be when I was playing, the ref's just a part of the field.
Yeah, it is.
But now they have to stop it. Now they have to stop it and drop it.
Yeah. And they think a lot of times they feel it's going to drop ball with like two guys. They don't even seem to do that.
Right, yeah.
Give it to them.
Nice. Get open. You got it. Nice.
Go, Elliot. Attack the ball.
There you go.
Nice. Come on, Noah, pressure that ball. Noah, pressure that one.
Good, Alex.
Chase it down.
Nice, Gee.
Get on him.
Good, very good. Nice passing, Gee.
Get in there, Scorpions.
Good try.
Back in position, Elliot. Key, solid. This play solid, okay? It's not about
You got this, Scorpions. Hustle.
Speed it up, Scorpion. Guys, back.
Get open.
Drop back. Come on.
There you go.
Noah, take that ball.
Take it out. Let's go.
Noah, take that ball.
Good. Come
Nice, Simon. Look, turn around. You got it.
Come on, take it out.
Get on it.
Drop back. Go. Good job.
Still recovering.
Man
Come on,
on, man
Scorpions,
on.
hustle!
Give me the rest.
Oh, no, no, I was fucking up.
How many times you guys do it?
Cross, Scorpions! There you go. Get open!
Drop back, guys, drop back. Let's play, Elliot.
Settle it! Settle
Let's
it!
get it up.
There you go, get on it! Hustle up, get up there, Scorpions! Help him out! Help him out! Nice!
Good run, Manny. Good run.
Guys, just pay attention.
Don't let the ball get by you.
Turn, guys, turn.
Manny, we got to move quick.
There you go, chase it down, chase it down. That's right, that's right.
Good job, Elliot.
Do not let it go.
Noah, take that ball, man.
Nice.
Use your feet, Elliot. Go. Noah, come on. Good.
Good job, Wes. Good job, buddy. Keep the pressure, keep the pressure.
No, he's Elliot.
Okay. I think this edge is hard because they switch them so much.
Yeah.
When you play on the left side, it's
He's not even running. He's going like he does.
Stay right there, stay right there. Time's not on our side.
He literally shuffling his feet.
Come on, press, go,
Then
guys,
Rick
pressure.
sat down if he was high.
Come on, pressure.
Pressure it. No, take that ball. Go with it.
Drop back. You on distance, go back. Go. Good. Pressure. Jack, get the corner for you. West. Get the corner, okay. Elliot. Right. Good job, guys. Good job. Elliot.
Scorpions, move quickly.
You ready, guys? There you go, Noah. Stick your nose. Chase it.
Good job, guys. Let's keep the pressure.
Noah, good shot, buddy. Keep it up. Just like that.
Good ball, Henry. Good ball.
Manny, go down.
Go, guys. Mark up both sides, guys.
Man on.
Show for him, Quentin. Be an option. Tell him you're there. Tell him you're there.
Behind you again.
There you go.
What those 2 kids? 3 kids. Come on.
Send it! Come on, Keith. Turn it.
Turn it.
Go, back.
Let's go, Elliot.
Go.
Rush.
Good. Take it out.
Henry, great kick.
Turn around, guys.
Keep it up.
Watch your back. Behind.
Let's go. Head in the
Drop,
game.
drop, drop, drop.
Stay with it.
Good, back. Back.
Guys, let's play.
Good. Go, back. Good. Back. Pressure. There you are.
Nice job, Sammy. You're throwing. Nice job. Feet on the ground. Feet on the ground.
Outside.
Behind the line.
Good, very good. Come on, go.
Elliot,
Good pressure, Elliot. Good pressure. Here's a good.
Good job. Let's go, guys. Next time. Let's stay focused on the game.
Hey,
Henry.
got two guys right here. Yes.
Hey, back up, Sammy. Back up a little bit. Back up, Sammy.
Happy. Back.
Go. Good.
Good reflexes there.
Hey, got kick.
Played this morning at 7:30. Surprised my legs
You're
are still
sharp.
moving.
Get the ball. They're still young enough. They're like, cooperative.
Elliot.
Nice job. One more.
Let's go, Scorpions! Is it 25-minute halves? 20-minute halves? 2 minutes.
JJ, show me you're open. There you go. Go, JJ. Go to the ball. Give him the ball, Manny. Give him the ball. We don't have time. We got to keep going.
Hurry up, just play.
Go down, JJ. Go.
Spread out.
You're too far away.
Scorpion.
Go.
Come on, Sam. You got it, buddy. All right.
Right, come on, gotta get it back.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Finish strong. Let's go.
Simon.
JJ, what position you playing?
Good job.
Go down, JJ. Go.
Come on, JJ, go. Take the shot. Oh, good try.
Inside the foot. Let's go. Good job. Next time.
Hurry!
Next time. No worries.
JJ, playing midfield or JJ, midfield or forward? Midfield. Got it. Good job. Pass the ball.
Go, guys.
Where's your support, guys? Come on.
Go, Sam. Go. Pressure. Keep your feet on the ground, JJ. Both feet on the ground.
Lifted the foot.
Go.
There you go. Hey, right here, behind him.
Sam, number 12. Number 12, Sam.
Go.
Take it, Lincoln.
Let's go, Jake.
Good.
Good job, JJ. Nice hustle, kiddo.
Sienna, Lincoln, go.
Let's go, baby.
Let's get it all, JJ. Let's get it all.
Let's go.